investment banking.
At ConnectOne Bank, when we thought about our IPO, one of the interesting things that was a new tool that no one had ever used before in the banking space was the Jobs Act. This was an act that President Obama passed in 2012, and we were the first financial institution to take advantage of it. It's a great tool for any small business who's thinking about doing an IPO, and besides some of the disclosures that are not required under the Jobs Act that make the burden just a little bit less burdensome for any company, one of the great advantages is the ability to go out and speak to investors and do the test the waters, which is your ability, while under a confidential filing, to be able to talk to your investor group, the people who are actually going to make investments in your company, to see what they say about your business plan. And if you decide at that point you don't like what you're hearing and you wanted to withdraw your application, no one would know because the application was filed confidentially. I think that's a great tool. A lot of people sometimes are very enamored with their own plans, and yet when they sit in front of investors, they hear things that they say, wow, we didn't really think of that. We need to rethink this entire process. If you file the old way or without the Jobs Act, you've already dictated to the world that you're looking to go public, and if you don't like what you said or what you heard, it's very detrimental to have that be pulled back. And so this Jobs Act ability to do this confidential filing is an incredibly valuable tool for any small business that really doesn't know, or doesn't understand what their investors are going to say once they put it out there. It's a tool I would recommend any small business owner think about in the IPO process.